Connecting a custom domain to Odoo varies by hosting: Odoo Online or SaaS, hosted by Odoo, or self-hosted, Odoo, Esh, or on-premise. For Odoo Online, Odoo.com databases. Log into your Odoo database. Go to Website App, Configuration Settings. In Website Info, enter your custom domain, for example www.yourdomain.com. Save. Odoo provides DNS instructions, usually a CNAME record, www. pointing to your database.odo.com or proxy.odo.com. At your domain registrar, for example GoDaddy, Namecheap, add the CNAME record. For naked domain, yourdomain.com, use redirect or alias if supported. Verify in Odoo. SSL auto-activates. For Odoo, CH or self-hosted, point DNS to your server. Add a record, an optional CNAME. In Odoo, website, configuration. Websites, set domain per site, multi-website support. Configure web server, Nginx or proxy for the domain.